this property!
No!
Get up! Or I'll drag you off!
Get away!
Come on!
Don't hurt her! Okay, let me get myself.
Get up the fuck to your room!
No!
Yes!
No!
Jalen, jump up and down.
No, I don't want to!
Get the fuck out of the house! Get out! You whore!
You
whore!
Come back! You can't take
I'm staying with this child!
No!
You can't stay with her! You're an abusive mother!
No, I want my sister!
Get on! Get the fuck out!
She comes to the window. Carly climbs to the window. A prostitute.
You cannot live one day! You fucking whore! No, I'm not a whore! You are! No! You are! No! Get the fuck out of here!
Mommy, why are you doing this?
She is a whore who slept
How
with
am I a whore?
kid.
A faggot! I'm a virgin!
I'm sure. We are going to the doctor to get this.
No! I'm not pregnant!
I never said you were pregnant.
No!
You slept with him. Let's go.
No one can prove!
We are going.
It's not fair! Mama!
We're going to the doctor. We are in the doctor.
Okay, stop right here.